It's your man Jay White, first name, last name. You know what it is. Listen, I started learning about federal government contracting in 2008. You know, they say some things literally change your life. That first contract literally changed everything about my life. I've won over 250 plus federal government contracts for physical work that I'm not doing. So in this video, I'm going to break down how you can easily learn the process to get on the road to winning federal government contracts. I'm gonna teach you how to win. So step number one, you have to register your business correctly. Now, through my partnership with Prime, I can help you do that. I didn't have this partnership back in 2008. I will put the link in the description below to my partners with Prime. What they do is they help you properly formulate your LLC so that way your business is ready to do business with the federal government. They don't pay you directly. They pay you through the formulation of your business. Don't worry about the business name, et cetera, if you're going to do it on your own without my partnership with Prime. So if you're going to do it on your own, don't worry about the name. If you already have an LLC, if you already have an S Corp, C Corp, whatever the case may be, then you're good to go. I'm speaking to the individual that needs to formulate a business. Don't worry about the name. Just worry about making sure that you formulate that business. All right, step number two, get into the database called SAM.gov. You got your LLC back, cool beans. Now you register that into SAM.gov. This is where all the federal government opportunities are. Now, there are other entities and other websites that have federal opportunities. And remember, when I speak, I'm speaking from the federal level only. I'm not talking from the state. I'm not talking from local. I don't care nothing about those two. I'm only talking about federal government contracts. So your very next step is to register that thing into SAM.gov ASAP. That should take you about a day. It took you a day to formulate your LLC. You got that. Once you got that back, boom. Now it should take you about a day to register, maybe less than a day, obviously, right? Like 2-3 hours to register into SAM.gov. That's your very next step. Now, step number three, once that registration come back and they say, congratulations, you're an approved vendor for the federal government, guess what you're ready to do? You're ready to start looking for opportunities and start submitting these proposals. Let me go over some of these numbers, man, why this is important, yo. I wrote them down. I got stats for you. I wrote them down. Last year, I'm talking about 2024, the federal government in awarded contracts did 11 billion. That means companies like yours and mine, people submitted, the federal government dished out 11 billion. Now, last year also in federal government contracting as a whole, awards, not awards, sole source, yada, 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 the federal government did 667 billion. That's with the B. This is the industry that you need to be a part of. If you're not full-time, you need to be part-time. I'll explain in a different video what that looks like. Also, you know I can't go over every single thing in this entire video. Like, you know that'll be misleading you, right? So if you want to get way more in depth and more information, join my community. I have that link in the description below. You can have that. That way you can take this video, start the journey, but then you can continue the journey with my community. It's called Crack the Code. We do a lot of different things in there. We have a group Zoom call every Wednesday night at 8 p.m. I also have a live Sunday lesson every single Sunday. And then you get 4 coaching calls as well. So the community is worth the time, and it's also worth you having somebody to put their arms around you so you can continue your journey and not just say, oh, Jay White, that's interesting. 11 million. Yeah. You know how some people do. Oh, that sounds interesting. Scratch all that being interesting. It's time to jump in. All right, let's go to it. Number 4, yo. Now, this is how I won my contract. I don't have to have the business. I just partner up with somebody that has the business. Partnering up with a subcontractor or subbing out the work is the smartest move because you're the middleman or middlewoman. Think about your Uber. Think about your Amazon. Think about your DoorDash, right? Think about any business that has a conduit in between the source and the actual end goal, and the person in the middle makes a lot of money as well. This is the strategy that has allowed me the authority to teach you all, to have over 20-something thousand plus students, and the confidence that I know what I'm doing, and have that confidence be relayed right through my screen to you. Partner up with somebody. You don't have to be able to do the work. Just find somebody that can do the work. Once you do that, guess what? You're going to wash, rinse, repeat. You're going to submit that proposal, and you're going to do it over and over and over and over. Every week, every month, every year. That's the strategy. The consistency piece is the strategy. So all in all, right, this is exactly how you can win your first government contract. By learning the process and being consistent. That's how you can win your first government contract. Remember, don't put unnecessary time limits on yourself, and always stay consistent. If you want my personal help to make money from the federal government through the middleman, middlewoman strategy, I'll put all my links to all my platforms below this particular video. And hell, just keep following the page. Just keep following my YouTube and come back for more tips, more information on all things federal government contracting. It's 3 levels. It's the feds, it's the state, it's the local. I don't care nothing about the state and local. I only work at the fed. Besides all of that, remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. Let's have conversations on this video and more. I'm going to see you on the next one. I'll holla. Peace.